Hi and welcome back to the channel, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to set up your shared web hosting. So the previous video I was showing you how to use the Sitebuilder, and then after using the Sitebuilder, if you're happy with that, I've shown you where to find the button to start up a real website. If you click that, that will then bring you over to the Good Web Business Hosting. And what we're going to do is click Shared Website Hosting. So from here, you've got the choice of Startup, Business, Professional, Enterprise, and you can actually look through this page and see what other features you get. We're going to go for the Startup one. This will then bring up your sign-up form. So what you'll need to do is add a username, which could be your domain or website name. So then when you've done that, like I say, we're going to do the startup. You can click on here and there's other ones you can look at too. Your billing cycle will be 12 months with a 30-day free trial. And then, like I say, you can also click here, which will show you more features that are included in each different package. You select your currency, so you can select any of these currencies. And then your next one is choose pre-installed application. I'd leave that on none because you can actually do that within inside the control panel. Pick your data center, so you've got a selection there of data centers. And then also we're going to do or register a domain. So you can put your domain in there. You can choose from the drop down as well. Check availability. There will be a small promotion on in cost, but the price you'll be paying every year thereafter will be this one. Will there be an increase in the hosting price that most of the larger hosting companies do? I tend to keep the hosting low. And if there was an increase, it would probably only be a couple of quid a month for over the year. But before your hosting comes up for renewal, you will be contacted within probably 2 or 3 months before, so you'll know exactly how much the price is. So let's put the simple web start, which is the channel that you're on. But also I've taken a domain on, or paid for a domain, and I will set up that channel, and then any examples I use on the YouTube channel, you will be able to go across to the website and find other things out, more helpful things. So we're going for the .com, like I say, you can select it there, check availability. It's gone because I bought it the other day, so we'll come out of that. Just give you an example here. Who is privacy protection? That's entirely up to you. I always do it. As for SSL certificate, don't worry about that because I can show you how to get a free one within the hosting package. And then also, if you select a domain and you can't, it's not available, then you could go over to the domain name suggestion tool, and that will give you, in this case, 64 different other examples. So then we'll come down, we'll click next. What you'll need to do is put your details in here, and when you put all your details in there, you will go next again. But I've done a quick PDF for you, so just quickly take you through this. So sign up form, we pick the domain, we filled the details in. It'll ask you if you're supplying a service or other business, just put no. When you have put your details in and you're creating your account, buying your domain, you'll be asked to click these 2 buttons here. You'll see them on the form. Just go through the form. If you're buying a .co.uk, then obviously it'll ask you to agree on that as well. If that comes up, then obviously click on it. Then the form for creating your account should be pre-filled because you've registered your domain. If there's anything missing, then obviously fill that in. And then you can create your account. Now, when you create your account, you'll get a page come up with hello, whoever you are. And if you've got this far, then thank you for signing up for the hosting with me. You're given the chance for starting your trial, or you can actually pay for the complete year. That's entirely up to you. And another one will show you the difference in what you get and what you don't get. There is slight limit on when you take the 30-day out, but like I say, you'll be able to see it. And then when you've done all that, you've got the choice of which payment you want to use. Click on to agree to the terms, but only do that obviously if that's what you want to do. And then the payments will be processed by LiquidNet. Now, when you've done all that, it will first of all ask you to verify your email address, and you can click that link there just to verify it. Then also you'll get a thank you from me for choosing the service and all your important data, including your hosting account and your domains that you've purchased. Also a confirmation of transaction, and then you'll get an email invoice as well sent to your email. Also an email to confirm the ownership of your domain names, and also that will include a link to actually download your certificate. And then a couple of days later, you'll receive another email that will show that the authorization of your transaction has gone through. And then the next thing you can do is log into your control panel, which I'll do that video for you next. If you've got any questions, just drop a comment and I'll try and help you out as much as I can with the answer. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.